Oh, don't do it. Get back. Oh, no, get back. Get back. On my glasses.
Alright, let's do this shit.
You just got in my hair to make my curls go down. I just curl my hair.
Put it in your purse.
Gotcha.
Whitney, you hussy. Wait for
I
it.
should have opened my mouth. I would have gotten in it.
That's what she says all the time. Alright, hold on.
Have you done that?
I don't know what she's talking about.
Alright. Ready? Hey, here's to me not getting arrested.
Oh, yeah!
3, 2, 1.
Oh, the bomb just dumped it all out!
I didn't crack.
Oh, you totally missed it.
I didn't crack either. I threw it the wrong way.
Still be kicked.
Come on. Is that Boris? Boris, not yours.
I'm drinking mine. I can guarantee it. That was terrible. I drank half of mine.
Game over, motherfuckers. I threw it the wrong way.
I saw that.
I did not tilt mine the right way, and I stabbed it. I just wanted to get her wet.
Hi-yo.
Hi-yo.
I'm gonna see that shit.